English-Tagalog Sentence Translation, Lesson Number 2. Have you ever been here before? Have you ever been here before? Kahulugan, nakarating ka na ba rito dati? Have you ever done yoga? Have you ever done yoga? Nakapag-yoga ka na ba? Have you ever lost your wallet? Have you ever lost your wallet? Nawalan ka na ba ng pitaka? Have you ever eaten sushi? Have you ever eaten sushi? Nakakain ka na ba ng sushi? Have you ever seen a koala? Have you ever seen a koala? Nakakita ka na ba ng koala? Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? Nakasakay ka na ba ng motor? Have you ever been robbed? Have you ever been robbed? Naranasan mo na bang manakawan? Have you ever been bitten by a snake? Have you ever been bitten by a snake? Natuklaw ka na ba ng ahas? Have you ever tried any extreme sports? Have you ever tried any extreme sports? Nakasubok ka na ba ng kahit anong extreme sports? Have you ever been stuck in an elevator? Have you ever been stuck in an elevator? Naranasan mo na bang ma-stuck sa elevator? Have you ever been to Rome? Have you ever been to Rome? Nakarating ka na ba sa Rome? Have you ever donated blood? Have you ever donated blood? Nakapag-donate ka na ba ng dugo? Have you ever driven a sports car? Have you ever driven a sports car? Nakapagmaneho ka na ba ng sports car? Have you ever had a serious illness? Have you ever had a serious illness? Nagkasakit ka na ba ng malubha? Have you ever been inside Rochille's house? Have you ever been inside Rochille's house? Nakapasok ka na ba sa bahay ni Rochille? Have you ever tried scuba diving? Have you ever tried scuba diving? Nasubukan mo na bang mag-scuba diving? Have you ever baked a pizza? Have you ever baked a pizza? Nakapag-bake ka na ba ng pizza? Have you ever been abroad? Have you ever been abroad? Nakapag-abroad ka na ba? Have you ever been in a long-distance relationship? Have you ever been in a long-distance relationship? Naranasan mo na ba ang long-distance relationship? Have you ever been on a cruise ship? Have you ever been on a cruise ship? Nakasakay ka na ba sa cruise ship? Have you ever climbed Mount Everest? Have you ever climbed Mount Everest? Nakaakyat ka na ba sa Mount Everest? Have you ever done it? Have you ever done it? Nagawa mo na ba yun dati? Have you ever drunk vodka? Have you ever drunk vodka? Nakainom ka na ba ng vodka? Have you ever eaten sea urchins? Have you ever eaten sea urchins? Nakakain ka na ba ng sea urchin? Have you ever eaten in a restaurant alone? Have you ever eaten in a restaurant alone? Nakakain ka na ba sa restaurant ng mag-isa? Have you ever had a problem similar to this? Have you ever had a problem similar to this? Nagkaroon ka na ba ng problemang katulad nito? Have you ever hired a maid? Have you ever hired a maid? Naranasan mo na bang kumuha ng katulong? O kaya, naranasan mo na bang magkaroon ng katulong? Have you ever played golf? Have you ever played golf? Nakapag-golf ka na ba? Have you ever been on a plane? Have you ever been on a plane? Nakasakay ka na ba ng eroplano? Have you ever been in a mosque? Have you ever been in a mosque? Nakapasok ka na ba sa isang mosque? Have you ever seen a ghost? Have you ever seen a ghost? Nakakita ka na ba ng multo? Have you ever cheated on an exam? Have you ever cheated on an exam? Naranasan mo na bang mandaya sa exam? O kaya, naranasan mo na bang mangopya sa exam? Have you ever broken a bone? Have you ever broken a bone? Nabalian ka na ba ng buto? Have you ever missed a plane? Have you ever missed a plane? Naiwanan ka na ba ng eroplano? Have you ever had an accident? Have you ever had an accident? Naaksidente ka na ba?